Trying to cash out crypto to your bank account but worried about mistakes, fees, or losing funds? In this video, I'll show you the safest way to withdraw crypto step by step. Before cashing out crypto, you need three things: a crypto wallet, a verified exchange account, and a bank account that supports withdrawals. Use a trusted exchange that supports fiat withdrawals to your bank account. Always make sure the platform is official and properly secured. Create an account on your chosen exchange and complete identity verification if required. Most exchanges need verification before allowing withdrawals. Inside the exchange, locate the deposit section and copy your crypto deposit address carefully. Open your crypto wallet, paste the exchange deposit address, choose the correct network, and send your crypto. Always double-check the address and network before confirming. Depending on the blockchain network, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete before appearing in your exchange account. Once your crypto arrives on the exchange, go to the Trading or Convert section and sell your crypto for your local currency. After converting to fiat currency, go to the Withdrawal section, add your bank details, and submit the withdrawal request. Withdrawal times vary depending on your bank and exchange. Some transfers may arrive within minutes, while others can take several business days. One of the biggest mistakes people make is selecting the wrong network when sending crypto. Another common mistake is withdrawing to incorrect bank details. Always verify everything carefully before confirming transactions. Never share your wallet recovery phrase or exchange login details. Always use official websites and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. If you manage crypto distributions or need to send tokens to multiple wallets across supported networks, tools like the MyCryptoView AI Multisender can help streamline bulk transactions more efficiently. Depending on your country, cashing out crypto may have tax implications. Keeping records of your transactions can help with reporting and tracking. That's how to cash out crypto to your bank account safely. If this video helped, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and guides.